कुमसी चाहिए मुफुदरा तरुक सुबा रिपब्लिक डे की परेड कमांडर मालेम सिंह बथुंगना सखंगनरिबी सानरोय मसु ओइरिबी अर्जुना अवधि अमसु ओइरिबी श्रीमती लाइश्रम सरिता देवी एमपीएस न ओइबिरी महाकसी मार्च की तारीख अमदा 1985 तपोकी इंग्लिसिंगनी मंगादा मणिपुर पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर ओइना थबक चंखी अमदी इंग्लिसिंगनी तरादा डेप्यूटी सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस द प्रमोशन फंकी लोइनना इंग्लिसिंगनी तरागा निपांदा एडिशनल सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस ओइकी वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन अहुमलक अमदी एशियन बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन मंगालक ओइबदा नत्तना एशियन गेम्स अमदी कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स दा मेडल सुफंकी लोइनना नेशनल बॉक्सिंग चैंपियनशिप तरागा मंगारक फंकी महाकी थौना मदी होना जमनबो इकाई खुमनबो उत्पा ओइना भारत सरकार ना फिदमनिंगाई ओइरबा मना अर्जुना अवार्ड इंग्लिसिंगनी मापंदा पीबीकी हौजिक सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस स्पोर्ट्स मणिपुर ओइना इंग्लिसिंगनी कुन गहुमदोइदगी थौ पुबिरी असिगी ओकेजन असिगी गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर कमांडर Shri J. Varange, IPS Professional, Thobal District, Manipur, no Oibiri. Shri J. Varange, IPS Officer, 2023 batch ni, Mahak Physics the Honors Toraki Amadi, Geography the Master Loishin ki, UPSC Civil Services, Central Armed Police Forces, Assistant Commandant Amadi, UGC NET, GRF Exam Singh, Mai Paki, महाकी बेसिक ट्रेनिंग सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल नेशनल पुलिस एकेडमी हैदराबाद तौरखे अमदी मणिपुर कैडरदा इंग्लिसिंग अनि कुनगा मरी नवेंबर दा एलोकेट तौखी हौजिक आईपीएस प्रोफेशनल ओइना थौबाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट महाकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग ओइना थौ पुबिरी।
आज गणतंत्र दिवस सन 2025 के परेड को कमान कर रही हैं एक यशस्वी खिलाड़ी व प्रसिद्ध अधिकारी श्रीमती लाइश्रम सरिता देवी एमपीएस एसपी स्पोर्ट्स मणिपुर। विश्व मुक्केबाजी चैंपियनशिप में उनकी असाधारण उपलब्धि के कारण उन्हें सन 2005 में मणिपुर पुलिस विभाग में सब इंस्पेक्टर के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया तथा सन 2010 में डिप्टी सुपरिंटेंडेंट और उसके बाद सन 2018 में एडिशनल सुपरिंटेंडेंट पर पदोन्नत किया गया। आश्चर्यजनक उपलब्धि के तौर पर 15 राष्ट्रीय चैंपियनशिप खिताब जीतने के अलावा श्रीमती लाइश्रम सरिता देवी ने 3 बार विश्व मुक्केबाजी चैंपियन और 5 बार एशियाई मुक्केबाजी चैंपियन में एशियाई और कॉमनवेल्थ खेलों में भी पदक अर्जित किए हैं। भारतीय खेलों में उनके उल्लेखनीय योगदान को देखते हुए भारत सरकार ने आपको सन 2009 में प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कार अर्जुन अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया। श्रीमती लाइश्रम सरिता देवी एमपीएस सन 2023 से मणिपुर में सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस के रूप में कार्यरत हैं, जो खेल और पुलिस विभाग दोनों में प्रतिबद्धता और उत्कृष्टता को प्रेरित करती हैं। आज गणतंत्र दिवस सन 2025 के गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर के कमांडर के रूप में नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सन 2023 बैच के आईपीएस अधिकारी श्री जय बरांगे। आपने फिजिक्स ऑनर्स में स्नातक की, ज्योग्राफी में स्नातकोत्तर की उपाधि प्राप्त की है। सिलसिलेवार उच्च उपलब्धि हासिल करने वाले श्री बारंगे ने यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज सीएपीएफ असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट
Navy MPS, has been serving as the Superintendent of Police Sports Manipur since 2023, inspiring commitment and excellence both in sports and within the police department. Commanding the Guard of Honor is the gallant police officer Shri J. Barangi,
Probationer, Thoubal District, Manipur. Shri J. Barangi is an IPS officer of 2023 batch. He holds a degree in physics honors and a master's in geography. A consistent high achiever, Shri Barangi has excelled in prestigious exams including UPSC Civil Services, CAPF Assistant Commandant and UGC NET JRF. He completed his basic training at the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad, and was allocated to the Manipur cadre in November 2024. A young and dynamic police officer, Shri J. Barangi is currently serving as an IPS probationer in Thoubal District as part of his district practical training.
Asigi pangthokchariba Hufudra Taruk Suba Republic Day Celebration 2025 asiga mari leinana medal fangbigadaba singi maming amutang mayamda lakthokchari. Police Medal for Meritorious Service Republic Day 2023 da lautokhiba ngasi medal fangbigadaba Srimati Gurumayum Gitanjali Devi, Women Inspector, Imphal East, Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, Imphal West. Amadi Shri Sachin Rai, Havaldar, 1st Battalion, Manipur Rifles. Shri Khanglanmai Kamai, Havaldar, 2nd Battalion, Manipur Rifles. Loinana Police Medal for Meritorious Service Independence Day 2023 occasion da lautokhiba ngasi medal fangbigadaba sing Shri Sapam Yaimathoi Singh, Havaldar, 2nd India Reserve Battalion. Shri Kongrai Latpam Devadatta Sharma, Havaldar, 7th Battalion, Manipur Rifles. Shri Yumlembam Shunanta, Subedar, now DSP Thoubal. Mohammad Fayajur Rahman, Jemedar, 6th IRB. Shri Sanasam Tejen Singh, Jemedar, 1st IRB Amadi. Shri Sijagurumayum Buddhachandra Sarma, Jemedar, 1st India Reserve Battalion. Hairiba Myoi Mapanasi ngasi medal fangbigani.
आज इस पावन अवसर पर जिन पुलिस अफसरों को पुलिस पदक के लिए भारत सरकार की ओर से घोषणा की गई थी, उनके नाम रैंक के साथ इस प्रकार हैं। श्रीमती गुरुमयुम गीतांजलि देवी, वुमेन इंस्पेक्टर, एंटी ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग यूनिट, इम्फाल वेस्ट, पुलिस मेडल फॉर मेरिटोरियस सर्विस रिपब्लिक डे 2023। श्री सचिन राय हवलदार, 1st MR मणिपुर राइफल्स, पुलिस मेडल फॉर मेरिटोरियस सर्विस रिपब्लिक डे 2023। श्री खांगलानमई कामई हवलदार, 2nd Battalion मणिपुर राइफल्स, पुलिस मेडल फॉर मेरिटोरियस सर्विस रिपब्लिक डे 2023। श्री सापम याइमथोई सिंह हवलदार, 2nd IRB, पुलिस मेडल फॉर मेरिटोरियस सर्विस इंडिपेंडेंस डे 2023। श्री कोंगराई लाकपम देवदत्त शर्मा हवलदार, 7th Battalion Manipur Rifles, पुलिस मेडल फॉर मेरिटोरियस सर्विस इंडिपेंडेंस डे 2023। श्री युमलेम्बम सुनंता, DSP Thoubal, Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Independence Day 2023. Mohammad Faizur Rahman, Jamadar 6th IRB, Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Independence Day 2023. Sri Sanasam Tejen Singha, Jamadar 1st IRB, Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Independence Day 2023. Sri Sija Gurumayum Buddhachandra Sarma, Jamadar 1st IRB, Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Independence Day 2023.
3 personnel of the Manipur Police Department were awarded Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Republic Day 2023. They are Shrimati Gurumayum Gitanjali Devi, Woman Inspector, Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, Imphal West; Shri Sachin Rai, Havaldar, 1st Battalion, Manipur Rifles; and Shri Khanglanmei Kamei, Havaldar, 2nd Battalion, Manipur Rifles. The following 6 personnel of the Manipur Police Department were awarded Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. Shri Sapam Yaimatoy Singh, Havaldar, 2nd India Reserve Battalion; Shri Kongrai Latpam Devadatta Sharma, 7th Battalion, Manipur Rifles; Shri Yumlembam Sunanta, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Thobal District; Muhammad Fayazur Rahman, Jamadar 6th India Reserve Battalion; Shri Sanasam Tejen Singh, Jamadar 1st India Reserve Battalion; and Shri Sijaguru Mayum Buddhachandra Sharma, Jamadar 1st India Reserve Battalion. Look at. A contingent of the combined Manipur Rifles battalions will present an impressive guard of honor commanded by the gallant police officer Shri J. Barange, IPS Probationer, Thoubal District. Shri J. Barange is an IPS officer of 2023 batch. He holds a degree in physics honors and a master's in geography. A consistent high achiever, Shri Barange has excelled in prestigious exams including UPSC Civil Services, CAPF Assistant Commandant, and UGC NET JRF. He completed his basic training at the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad, and was allocated to the Manipur cadre in November 2024. A young and dynamic police officer, Shri J. Barange is currently serving as an IPS probationer in Thoubal district as part of his district practical training.
आज गणतंत्र दिवस सन 2025 के गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर के कमांडर के रूप में नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सन 2023 बैच के आईपीएस अधिकारी श्री जय बरांगे। आपने फिजिक्स ऑनर्स में स्नातक और ज्योग्राफी में स्नातकोत्तर की उपाधि प्राप्त की है। सिलसिलेवार उच्च उपलब्धि हासिल करने वाले श्री बरांगे ने यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज, CAPF असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट तथा UGC नेट JRF सहित प्रतिष्ठित परीक्षाओं में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया है। आपने अपना बुनियादी प्रशिक्षण सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल राष्ट्रीय पुलिस अकादमी हैदराबाद में पूरा किया और नवंबर 2024 में आपको मणिपुर कैडर में आवंटित किया गया। एक युवा और गतिशील पुलिस अधिकारी श्री जय बरांगे वर्तमान में अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग के हिस्से के रूप में थौबाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में IPS प्रोबेशनर की हैसियत से कार्यरत हैं।
देखो
The three judges
lên sắm là bữa bro. Hello, lên sắm là lên nắm cái tăng ham cả. Đấy rồi.
I can make it. 6 10 kg money hanging out to run for 5 minutes. 시 빠른데.
시门是真的
짠지로 가야 짠지로. 가간 짠지로.
야비야 같이
아저 서라가 또비요.
이제 패게 되면
간전 버스 방법을 소통
गवर्नर लागतो रे म्हणजे इंग्लिशमॅन दिला रे गवर्नर Dinang ne. Lepas sudah lalu, habis di tamangam dia. Ini yang saya tak pernah. Ini saya VIP door close to one. Siam hal bukan. Som det lele.
Ganda. Ako itu kan tu pikir dah. Dah tahu pikir dah. Dah tahu kau nunda. Ni cah dendro. Cepet apa? Ini sih orang tu yang terus. Cái chân từ nào? Cái chân từ nào? Đấy lúc in từ đâu ạ? Ấy gì đó? Apa dah? Phone tu yaad role, tu yaad rah. Logo le जाने के ना.
Ailah.
Honorable Governor of Manipur has now arrived.
to.
A contingent of the combined Manipur Rifles battalions will present an impressive guard of honor commanded by the gallant police officer Shri J. Barange, IPS probationer, Thoubal district. Shri J. Barange is an IPS officer of 2023 batch. He holds a degree in physics honors and a master in geography. A consistent high achiever, Shri Barange has excelled in prestigious exams including UPSC Civil Services, Central Armed Police Force Assistant Commandant and UGC NET JRF. He completed his basic training at the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad, and was allocated to the Manipur cadre in November 2024. A young and dynamic police officer, Shri J. Barange is currently serving as an IPS probationer in Thoubal district as part of his district practical training. May we request Honorable Governor Manipur to unfurl the national flag.
로엠시 하정는이지. 하정는
May we now request the Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, to present 9 police medals for meritorious service. Gitanjali Devi, Woman Inspector, Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, Imphal West. Shrimati Gurumayum Gitanjali Devi joined the Manipur Police Department in 2002 as an Assistant Sub-Inspector. She completed her basic training at the Northeastern Police Academy, Shillong, where she was awarded the Academy Running Trophy, NEPA Silver Medal for exemplary conduct as a trainee. An accomplished athlete with multiple national and international accolades, Shrimati Gitanjali Devi is a highly skilled officer who has consistently demonstrated exceptional dedication throughout her career. As officer in charge of the Women Police Station, Imphal East, she displayed outstanding leadership in disposing of 121 cases, including 85 charge sheets and 36 final reports. Her intelligence and proactive approach led to the arrest of 2 individuals with contraband heroin and the rescue of victims, including a woman and her daughter from trafficking abroad and minors from abuse and exploitation. In recognition of her outstanding contributions and exemplary service record, Woman Inspector Gurumayum Gitanjali Devi has been awarded the Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Republic Day 2023. Shrimati Gitanjali. Shri Sachin Rai, Havaldar, 1st Battalion, Manipur Rifles. Shri Sachin Rai was appointed to the Manipur Police Department as a rifleman in 1988. He completed his basic training course at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai, and was promoted to Havaldar in 2004. Shri Rai has demonstrated exceptional versatility and dedication in discharging various duties throughout his career. He played a significant role in the success of the Manipur Police Football Club, helping the team secure the prestigious Manipur State League Championship for 4 consecutive years. In recognition of his exemplary contributions to duty, Havaldar Sachin Rai has been awarded the Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Republic Day 2023. Shri Sachin Rai. Shri Kanglan Mei Kame, Havaldar, 2nd Battalion, Manipur Rifles. Shri Kanglan Mei Kame joined the Manipur Police Department as a rifleman in 3rd India Reserve Battalion in 2001 and was promoted to Havaldar in 2013. Havaldar Kame has served with dedication in the Manipur Police, excelling in counter-insurgency operations and law enforcement. He played a critical role in the arrest of armed insurgents and recovering illegal ammunition during operations, earning commendation for his bravery and professional acumen. Recognized with the Chief Minister's Police Medal for outstanding devotion to duty in 2012 and numerous DGP commendations, Havaldar Kame's 21 years of exemplary service reflect his integrity and commitment. In recognition of his outstanding contribution and excellence, Havaldar Kanglan Mei Kame has been awarded the Police Medal for meritorious service on the occasion of Republic Day 2023. Shri Kame. Shri Sapam Yaimatoi Singh, Havaldar, 2nd India Reserve Battalion. Shri Sapam Yaimatoi Singh joined the Manipur Police Department as Havaldar in 1994. Shri Sapam Yaimatoi Singh has demonstrated exemplary dedication and sincerity in handling various official matters, including legal cases for the police department while serving at police headquarters. His hard work, devotion to duty, integrity, and commitment have earned him the confidence of senior officers and the admiration of his colleagues. For his exceptional devotion to duty and significant contributions, Havaldar Sapam Yaimatoi Singh has been awarded the Police Medal for meritorious service on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. Shri Yaimatoi. Shri Kongrai Latpam Devadatta Sharma, Havaldar, 7th Battalion, Manipur Rifles. Shri Kongrai Latpam Devadatta Sharma joined the Manipur Police Department as a rifleman in the 7th Battalion, Manipur Rifles in 2000. He completed his basic training at Manipur Police Training College, Pangi, and has since served his duties with exceptional dedication. Over his 22 years of service, Shri Sharma has been recognized for his exemplary conduct and has earned many awards and rewards, including DGP Commendation Roll with this and appreciation letters. Currently attached to the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Shri Sharma is highly regarded for his discipline, efficiency, and professionalism. In recognition of his outstanding service and dedication, Havaldar Kongrai Latpam Devadatta Sharma has been awarded the Police Medal for meritorious service on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. Shri Devadatta. Shri Yumlembam Sunanta, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Thoubal District. Shri Yumlembam Sunanta joined the Manipur Police Department as a Jamadar in the 1st India Reserve Battalion in 2000. Shri Sunanta has served with distinction, dedicating 12 years as a training instructor at Manipur Police Training College, Pangi. Known for his expertise in law, he has effectively trained recruits in in-service courses, refresher courses, and basic trainings. His exceptional teaching methods, discipline, and command have made him one of the most respected instructors at MPTC. A talented sportsman, Shri Sunanta has represented the Manipur Police Sports Club in bodybuilding as both a player and team in charge, winning medals at state and national levels. He has consistently performed his duties with professionalism and devotion. In recognition of his exemplary service and contributions to the department, Shri Yumlembam Sunanta has been awarded the Police Medal for meritorious service on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. Shri Y. Sunanta. Muhammad Fayazur Rahman, Jamadar, 6th India Reserve Battalion. Muhammad Fayazur Rahman joined the Manipur Police Department as a Havaldar in 2001 and completed his basic training at the Punjab Police Academy, Philor. MD Rahman was promoted to Jamadar in 2021 and has served the police department in various capacities, executing his responsibilities with utmost professionalism and earning the trust of his superiors. MD Rahman played a significant role in the arrest of 2 UG cadres of KCP and recovery of a hand grenade in 2003. His contribution during election, VVIP visits, and security operations, including the Gujarat Assembly election 2022 and the visit of the Union Home Minister in Manipur in January 2023, have been exemplary. Currently serving as Jamadar Adjutant of the 6th India Reserve Battalion, he remains instrumental in maintaining discipline and operational efficiency within his unit. For his intelligence, dedication, and exceptional service, Jamadar MD Fayazur Rahman has been awarded the Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. MD Fayazur. Shri Sanasam Tejin Singh, Jamadar, 1st India Reserve Battalion. Shri Sanasam Tejin Singh joined Manipur Police as a Havaldar in 2001 and underwent basic training at Punjab Police Academy, Philor. During training, he demonstrated leadership as the platoon commander of the motorcycle display team at the 31st National Games and as team captain at the Academy's annual range sports meet, securing accolades for his team. He was promoted to Jamandar in 2021. Shri Tejen Singh has excelled in counter-insurgency operations and various law and order duties across sensitive areas in Manipur. His technical and organizational expertise was evident during multiple VVIP carpet duties, including the Union Home Minister's visit, where he ensured flawless vehicle management and security. In recognition of his leadership, technical acumen and commitment, Jamadar Sanasam Tejan Singh has been awarded the Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. Shri S. Tejan. Shri Sija Guru Mayum Buddhachandra Sharma, Jamadar, 1st India Reserve Battalion. Shri Sija Guru Mayum Buddhachandra Sharma joined the Manipur Police Department as a Havaldar in 2001 and completed his basic training at Punjab Police Academy, Philor, securing all-round first and earning a commendation certificate. Shri Sharma has excelled in various roles including Company Havaldar Major, Pay Officer and Company Quartermaster, demonstrating exceptional leadership and coordination with both personnel and colleagues. His skills and organizational acumen make him an invaluable asset to the unit and the department. In recognition of his professionalism and devotion to duty, Jamadar Sijaguru Mayum Buddhachandra Sharma has been awarded the Police Medal for meritorious service on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. Shri Buddhachandra. The following officers and personnel have been awarded the President's Medal for Distinguished Service and Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Republic Day 2025. Shri Sorokhaibam Rudranarayan Singh, MPS, Deputy Superintendent of Police CID Special Branch, President's Medal for Distinguished Service, and the 7 personnel of the Manipur Police Department have been awarded Medal for Meritorious Service. They are Shri Laishram Chauba Singh, Inspector of CID Special Branch, Shri Naurem Sailendra Singh, Jamadar, 1st India Reserve Battalion, Shri Sorokhaibam Santos Singh, Sub-Inspector of Imphal West, Shri Khaidem Chandra Singh, Jamadar, Manipur Police Training College, Shri Lenpu Kom, Havaldar, 4th India Reserve Battalion, Shri Lam Tian San Chongloi, Rifleman 1st India Reserve Battalion, and Shri Athopam Tej Singh, Assistant Sub-Inspector of Imphal West. The Governor's citation presented on the occasion of Republic Day is a prestigious recognition of outstanding contributions by the Central Armed Police Forces and Army units. It highlights exemplary service, commitment, and excellence in various fields. This honor not only acknowledges the recipient's efforts, but also inspires others to strive for the greater good. Symbolizing the Governor's commendation, it reflects the spirit of patriotism and dedication that strengthens the nation's duty and progress. Receiving this Governor's citation on this occasion are 5 Sikh Regiment, 46 Assam Rifles, 8 Assam Rifles, 19 Assam Rifles, 165 Infantry Battalion Territorial Army, 87 Battalion CRPF, Edok Battalion MNC, 21 BSF, Kangpokpi District Manipur Police, Taubal District Manipur Police, Bishnupur District Manipur Police, and CID Crime Branch Manipur Police. Can I take it? Sorry. The Honorable Governor Manipur is requested to take the salute.
Howsay, first MR Parade Ground dagi Kongshalakpa, March Pachki Parade Hosay Yokshin Birakle. Nasi Parade Commander Malem Sinba Thungna Sakhangaribi Sanaroi Amasu Oiribi Arjuna Awardee Amasu Oiribi Srimati Laishram Sarita Devi MPS na Oibiri Mahakasi March ki tarik ama 1985 ta poki ing lisingani mangada Manipur Police Department da Sub Inspector oina thabak changki amadi ing lisingani tarada Deputy Superintendent of Police da promotion funky loinana ing lisingani taragani panda Additional Superintendent of Police oiki World Boxing Champion ahumlak amadi Asian Boxing Champion mangarak oibada natana Asian Games amadi Commonwealth Games da medal su funky loinana National Boxing Championship taraga mangarak funky mahaki thongna amadi hotna jamanbu ikai kumdaba utpa oina Bharat Sarkar na fidam ningai oiraba mana Arjuna Award 2009 da PBK hojik na Superintendent of Police Sports Manipur oina 2023 dagi thau pubidi
आज गणतंत्र दिवस सन 2025 के परेड को कमान कर रही हैं एक यशस्वी खिलाड़ी व प्रसिद्ध अधिकारी श्रीमती लाइस्रम सरिता देवी MPS SP स्पोर्ट्स मणिपुर। विश्व मुक्केबाजी चैंपियनशिप में उनकी असाधारण उपलब्धि के कारण उन्हें सन 2005 में मणिपुर पुलिस विभाग में सब इंस्पेक्टर के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया तथा सन 2010 में डिप्टी सुपरिंटेंडेंट और उसके बाद सन 2018 में एडिशनल सुपरिंटेंडेंट पर पदोन्नत किया गया। आश्चर्यजनक उपलब्धि के तौर पर 15 राष्ट्रीय चैंपियनशिप खिताब जीतने के अलावा श्रीमती लाइस्रम सरिता देवी ने 3 बार विश्व मुक्केबाजी चैंपियन और 5 बार एशियाई मुक्केबाजी चैंपियन में एशियाई और कॉमनवेल्थ खेलों में भी पदक अर्जित किए हैं। भारतीय खेलों में उनके उल्लेखनीय योगदान को देखते हुए भारत सरकार ने आपको सन 2009 में प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कार अर्जुन अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया। श्रीमती लाइस्रम सरिता देवी MPS सन 2023 से मणिपुर में सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस के रूप में कार्यरत हैं, जो खेल और पुलिस विभाग दोनों में प्रतिबद्धता और उत्कृष्टता को प्रेरित करती है।
The first contingent, ex-serviceman contingent, Platoon Commander, Honorary Subedar Major Yumnam Loken Singh. The ex-serviceman contingent has given a salute, commanded by Honorary Subedar Major Yumnam Loken Singh, 3rd Mechanical, 1/8 Gorkha Regiment. The Sikh Regiment contingent, commanded by Naib Subedar Balihar Singh. The Sikh Regiment contingent. Assam Rifles contingent, commanded by Subedar Man Bahadur Sunar. Assam Rifles Band, commanded by Havildar Nutawar Singh. BSF contingent, commanded by Sub-Inspector Amit Singh Jayara. CRPF contingent commanded by Sub-Inspector Ajay Kumar. Combined Manipur Rifles contingent comprising 1st, 2nd, 5th, 6th, 7th India Battalion Manipur Rifles, Jemedar U. Sokumar 7MR commanded. CRPF band commanded by SI Porya Datta. The CRPF band commanded by SI Porya Datta. Combined India is a battalion comprising 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th IRB, commanded by Jemedar A.K. David Singh, 3rd India is a battalion. IRB contingent commanded by Jemedar O. Brahmananda Singh, 2nd IRB. IRB contingent commanded by Jemedar Tates Leland Singh, 11th IRB. The Nagaland Police contingent commanded by SI Kevisi. Second MR band and 2nd IRB band commanded by Havildar N. Rajan Singh. Combined Civil Police, Male Imphal West and Imphal East contingent commanded by SI SH Gauravatip Singh, Imphal East. Combined Civil Police, Male Hill District contingent, Frajol, Kamjong, Tengnopal, Chandil, None, Tamanglong, Kangpokpi, Jiribam, Senapati, Ukhrul and Churachandpur, led by SI Themra Shang Aungsi. Ninth India Reserve Mahila Battalion contingent commanded by SI Doibila. First IRB band commanded by Havildar L. Surjit Sharma. Combined Civil Police, Female Imphal West and Imphal East led by SIN Meenakumari Devi, Imphal West. Manipur Jail Department contingent led by Assistant Jailer O. Bobson Singh. Manipur Forest Department contingent led by RFO R.K. Sadananda Singh. Home Guard Male contingent commanded by Company Commander W. Ibomcha Singh. The Home Guard Male band commanded by Y. Rajan Singh. Combined VDF contingent Imphal West and Imphal East commanded by ASIB Deepak Sharma Imphal West. The Manipur Fire Service contingent led by Sub-Officer W. Rajesh Singh. Next approaching is the Traffic Police contingent male led by SI Redemption Pamay. The Traffic Police contingent male led by SI Redemption Pamay. The Home Guard female band led by Y. Anita Chanu. The Home Guard female band. The 14th NCC Senior Boys and Girls led by SUOA Nancy Devi. Fifth Girls NCC contingent led by Senior Under Officer L. Chanchan Devi. NCC Senior Air Wing commanded by Cadet Under Officer L. Cherwin. The Sainik School contingent led by Mutum Dipendam Singh, Class 12 Science. The Sainik School contingent following the Sainik School band led by Vaikom Hemraj Singh, Class 8. The Sainik School band led by Vaikom Hemraj Singh, Class 8. DM College of Arts Girls led by Nongpobom Milky, 5th semester. DM College of Science Girls led by Sarita Laishram, BSc 3rd semester. The Imphal College contingent led by M. Surjakanta Singh, BA 3rd semester. Next is the BDF band Imphal West led by Thaudam Pravin Singh. The BDF band Imphal West led by Thaudam Pravin Singh. Manipur College contingent led by Hirem Avinash Singh, BA 5th semester. The CC Higher Secondary School contingent led by Revash Tangzam, Class 11 Science.
Johnstone Higher Secondary School contingent led by O. Akash Singh of Class 11 Science. VDF Band Imphal East led by N. Binoy Singh. The BDF Band Imphal East. Ibotonshna Higher Secondary School contingent led by Chingtham Anjali Class 11 Arts. PG Higher Secondary School contingent led by KH Neha Devi Class 11 Science. The Kaisamthong High School contingent led by Nongmaithem Banju Devi Class 10. Young Eagle Brass Band A led by SH Ipomcha Sharma. Young Eagle Brass Band A. KGPP Andro contingent led by Lakshmi Wahingbam Class 10. NSCB Awashya Vidyalay Imphal East led by NG Langlin Devi of Class 10. Wangkai High School contingent led by Nancy Ningthosam Class 10. First Manipur Rifles Unit High School led by Vivek Das of Class 9. Young Eagle Brass Band B led by N. Suresh Singh. Young Eagle Brass Band B. Anoba Mangal contingent led by T. Manglim Jao Maitay. National Sports University led by Falendra Kumar Shahu. National Sports University contingent. ICDS Anganwadi Imphal West contingent led by H. Sandhya Devi. This contingent commanded by K.H. Manau Thoibi Devi. Next approaching is the specially abled contingent.
आप देख रहे हैं सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट का दूसरा दल, दिव्यांग दल, जिनका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं सन 2009 के इंटरनेशनल व्हील चेयर एम्पुटी स्पोर्ट्स गेम में आर्चरी के कांस्य पदक विजेता सलाम लुआंग लाकपा मैते।
The contingent of specially abled contingents. The Mounted Police, commanded by SI Viking Salam. The Mounted Police, led by SI Viking Salam. Next approaching is the Royal Pony Guard of Glazing Security Service. Royal Pony Guard contingent of the Glazing Security Service Imphal was raised in 2024 in Imphal by its Director Major N. Karan Singh retired. Its objective are conservation of Manipuri ponies, sustainable method of business management, employment of pony riders and dignified assignment, ceremonial and ritual, love and care for ponies. The Royal Pony commanded by Thaudam Kauba, international polo player from Imphal. Next approaching is the Unarmed Combat UAC team. Unarmed Combat contingent of Manipur Police commanded by Rifleman Naurem Wattibamaite of 10th India Reserve Battalion of Manipur Police. The contingent comprises of 79 riflemen of 10th and 11th India Reserve Battalions and other armed battalions of Manipur Police who have recently passed out from their basic training, Dergaon, Assam.
ये है अनआर्म कॉम्बैट कंटिजेंट ऑफ मणिपुर पुलिस, जिसकी कमान मणिपुर पुलिस की 10वीं IRB के राइफलमैन नावरेम वात्तबा मैते ने संभाली। इस दल में 10वीं और 11वीं इंडियन रिजर्व बटालियन और मणिपुर पुलिस के अन्य सशस्त्र बटालियों के 79 राइफलमैन शामिल हैं, जो हाल ही में अपने बुनियादी प्रशिक्षण डेरगांव असम से उत्तीर्ण हुए हैं। बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्रदर्शन अनआर्म्ड कॉम्बैट कंटिजेंट ऑफ मणिपुर पुलिस के बाद अब आते हैं सांस्कृतिक दल का कार्यक्रम। सांस्कृतिक दल का पहला नृत्य थौगल जगोई प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। सेंटर फॉर कल्चरल प्रमोशन कैरेनफाबी बिष्णुपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट। यह नृत्य मोइरांग के वन देवता चिंगू मोइरांग थांगजिंग त्योहार के अवसर पर युवक युवतियां द्वारा की जाती हैं। नृत्य के माध्यम से थांगजिंग देवता की अलौकिक शक्ति की स्तुति व गांव की सुख शांति समृद्धि हेतु नृत्य के माध्यम से प्रार्थना करते हैं। आप देख सकेंगे सेंटर फॉर कल्चरल प्रमोशन कैरेनफाबी बिष्णुपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट द्वारा प्रस्तुत थौगल जगोई।
Colorful cultural dances from both the hills and valley of Manipur. Ancestral deity, praying for peace and prosperity of the land and its people. Center for Cultural Promotion, Kairenpabi, Bishnupur District, presenting the dance entitled Thaugal Jago.
इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्ट ICA खा मणिपुर हियांगलम कक्चिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट। ये दल आपके सामने पेश करेंगे फमगारोल जगोई। क्वाथा गांव का प्रचलित व पारंपरिक नृत्य फमगारोल उस समय की जाते हैं जब किसी व्यक्ति की पदोन्नति होती है। पदोन्नत व्यक्ति के वंश के बुजुर्गगण बड़े हर्षोल्लास के साथ फमगारोल नामक यह नृत्य गीत के साथ किए जाते हैं। पेश है फमगारोल जगोई।
Institute of Contemporary Art, Kham Manipur Hianglam, Kaching District, presenting the dance entitled Phamgarol Jagoi. Quata village in Kaching District. The villagers of this ancient village perform this dance when a person is promoted. This is a dance to celebrate and honor the elevation of a person in his status.
अब आपके सामने पेश करने आ रहे हैं स्टार म्यूजिकल सेंटर खुराई कोनसम निकाय द्वारा प्रस्तुत दूसरा थोगल जगोई। थोगल जगोई लाई हराओबा त्योहार का एक अंग है और लाई हराओबा मणिपुरी प्राचीन संस्कृति से संबंधित एक त्योहार है। मणिपुर में यह त्योहार 4 प्रकार के माने जाते हैं: कंगले हराओबा, मोइरांग हराओबा, चकपा हराओबा और कच्चिंग हराओबा। यह त्योहार मणिपुर के वन देवी देवताओं के सामने 10 या 15 दिनों तक मनाया जाता है। प्रस्तुत थोगल जगोई कंगले हराओबा के अंतर्गत आता है। इसमें गांव के पुरुष और महिला दोनों भाग ले सकते हैं। गांव की सुख समृद्धि, राजा की लंबी आयु व प्रजनन की प्रार्थना करते हुए यह नृत्य किए जाते हैं। अब आपके सामने पेश करने आ रहे हैं लियांदा फोक एंड क्लासिकल एकेडमी द्वारा प्रस्तुत थोगल जगोई। थोगल जगोई मणिपुर का एक प्रतिष्ठित पारंपरिक नृत्य है जो सभी उम्र के लोगों द्वारा किया जाता है। यह पवित्र नृत्य देवी देवताओं के प्रति हार्दिक अर्पण है जिसमें शांति, समृद्धि और सांप्रदायिक कल्याण का आशीर्वाद की प्रार्थना की जाती है।
Leander Folk and Classical Academy, Imphal West District, performing the dance entitled Thogel Jagoi. Thogel Jagoi is a revered traditional dance of Manipur performed by people of all ages. This sacred dance is a heartfelt offering to the deities, seeking blessings of peace, prosperity, and communal well-being. Through their graceful movements and rhythmic steps, the dancers pay homage to the divine, fostering a sense of unity, harmony, and spiritual connection within the community.
अगला सांस्कृतिक दल है द परफॉर्मिंग एनट्रांसमेंट आर्ट्स एंड कल्चरल इवोल्यूशन पीस थौबाल द्वारा प्रस्तुत थौगल जगोई। थौगल जगोई लाई हराओबा त्योहार का एक अंग है और लाई हराओबा मणिपुर का एक ऐसा पारंपरिक त्योहार है जिसमें लोग देवी देवताओं के समक्ष नृत्य के माध्यम से अर्चना करते हैं। यह मैतेई संप्रदाय की प्राचीन संस्कृति को प्रतिबिंबित करता है। स्थानीय प्रभाव के अनुसार मणिपुर में विभिन्न प्रकार के लाई हराओबा त्योहार प्रचलित हैं। आइए देखते हैं इस त्योहार का एक अंग।
The Performing Entrancement Arts and Cultural Evolution piece Thawbal. Performing another form of Thogal Jagoi. There are various forms of Thogal Jagoi. Thogal Jagoi is a dance among the dances of Lai Haraoba, a popular festival of the Valley of Manipur. It mirrors the ancient culture of the Meitei people. Today, Thogal Jagoi, a distinct, prominent in style, which is distinguished from the other Lai Haraoba Jagoi, is being presented by the Performing Entrancement Arts and Cultural Evolution. Thogal Jagoi is performed by men and women of all ages.
ये जो दल आपके सामने आ रहे हैं ये है वुमेन्स सोशल एंड कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट आर्टिस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट। ये प्रस्तुत करेंगे मोइरांग फ्लोक प्ले। अब आप देखेंगे यंगखेल चिंग खुथा डांस ग्रुप चांडिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट द्वारा प्रस्तुत लुदाम तोंगतांगखम लुंगपाथा और जाका नृत्य। क्रमशः 4 हिस्सों में बंटा नृत्य का प्रथम भाग लुदाम में शिकार किए गए शीरों के उत्सव को दर्शाता है। जब योद्धा मानव जीवन के लिए खतरनाक शत्रुओं या जंगली जानवरों के शिकार किए गए शीर घर लाते थे तो यह उनके वीरतापूर्ण कार्यों और बहादुरी के लिए बड़े सम्मान के साथ मनाया जाता है। दूसरा भाग तोंगतांगकम नृत्य में अमीर परिवारों और पारंपरिक नायकों के लिए दावतें पेश की जाती हैं। तीसरा भाग लुंगपाथा नृत्य स्मारक पत्थर या एकाश्म के निर्माण के अवसर पर किया जाता है। चौथा और आखिरी भाग है जका नृत्य। यह नृत्य गांव के मुखिया के राज्याभिषेक के अवसर पर किया जाता है। पेशे यंगखेल चिंग खुथा डांस ट्रुप चांडिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट द्वारा प्रस्तुत नृत्य।
A now dance performed by Yangkhel Ching Khutha Dance Troupe, Chandil District. This dance is a symphony of 4 dances. The first part of the dance is known as Ludam. This depicts the celebration, bring home heroic deeds and bravery. Second part, Totankam dance, feast for the whole villagers offered by rich families and traditional heroes as a sign of their prosperity. The third dance, Lungpatha dance, is performed on the occasion of erection of memorial stones monoliths. And the last dance, Jaka dance, is performed on the occasion of the coronation of village chiefs.
अगला नृत्य है हुपुईलाम, वाइखिंगलाम, सतुकलाम और पत्सुतलाम, जिसे प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं कोम कल्चरल डांस ट्रूप, सगांग विलेज, समुलाम लान सब डिवीजन। हुपुईलाम यानी गुफा नृत्य यह दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है कि कोम समुदाय की उत्पत्ति एक बड़ी गुफा से कैसे हुई है। वाइखिंगलाम नृत्य गुफा में एक विशेष बाघ को हराने के बाद सफलतापूर्वक गुफा से बाहर निकलने का जश्न मनाने के लिए किया जाता है। सतुकलाम नृत्य यह दर्शाता है कि कैसे आरंभिक काल में कोम लोग झूम खेती में लगे हुए थे। पत्सुतलाम नृत्य यह दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है कि प्रारंभिक काल में कोम समुदाय द्वारा बुनाई कैसे की जाती थी। ये सारे नृत्य अब आपके सामने हैं।
Kom cultural dance performed by the Kom Cultural Dance Troupe, Sagang Village, Samu Lamlan Subdivision, Churachandpur District. 4 dances are presented. Khurpui Lam cave dance is performed to showcase the Kom community originating from a big cave. Viking Lam, this dance is performed to celebrate after the Kom community successfully came out of a cave after defeating a tiger. Satuk Lam shows how the Kom people engage in zoom cultivation in the early days. Patsut Lam depicts how weaving was done by the Kom community in the early days. Kom Cultural Dance Troupe, Sagang Village, Samulamlan Subdivision, Churachandpur District, showcasing the Kom Cultural Dance. 4 forms of Kom Cultural Dance being presented here.
अगला नृत्य दल है कचुंगलोंग सी सेंटर, तमेंगलोंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट। ये दल प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं रेंगदाई लाम यानी धनेश, जिसे अंग्रेजी में हॉर्नबिल कहते हैं, का नृत्य। तमेंगलोंग में पाए जाने वाले हॉर्नबिल को ओरिएंटल पॉइंट हॉर्नबिल के नाम से जाना जाता है, जो अपनी विशिष्ट और जीवंत आवाज के लिए जाना जाता है। इस हॉर्नबिल का लोगों के जीवन, संस्कृति, लोक कथाओं और किंवदंतियों पर गहरा प्रभाव है और महत्वपूर्ण चित्रण किए जाते हैं। यह नृत्य यानी रेंगदाई लाम हॉर्नबिल के सार को दर्शाता है। पेश है कचुंगलोंग सी सेंटर, तमिलनाडु डिस्ट्रिक्ट द्वारा प्रस्तुत हॉर्नबिल नृत्य।
Rongmei dance to be performed by Kachunglong Cultural Center, Tamenglong. We are now watching the Rengdai Lam. Rengdai means hornbill. The hornbill found in Tamenglong is known as Oriental Pied Hornbill, known for its distinctive and vibrant call. The hornbill has a deep impact in the lives, culture, folklore, and legend of the people of Tamenglong. The significance of the hornbill is portrayed in this dance entitled Rengdai Lam, performed by Kachunglong Cultural Center, Tamenglong District.
आइए अब देखते हैं सेनापति डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आए मराम सेंटर वुमेन सोसाइटी द्वारा प्रस्तुत नृत्य। मराम के लोग और उनकी भूमि प्राकृतिक सुंदरता और समृद्ध संस्कृति से के धनी है। यह नृत्य ऐसे आशीर्वाद के लिए खुशी और आनंद का प्रतीक है। पेश है सेनापति डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आए मराम सेंटर वुमेन सोसाइटी द्वारा प्रस्तुत नृत्य।
From Senapati district, Maram cultural dance being presented by the Maram Center Women's Society. The people of Maram and the land is blessed with scenic beauty and rich culture. This dance is a symbol of joy and merry-making for the bountiful blessings they receive from the Almighty God.
वाइलाम क्वांगलाम नृत्य को पेश करने जा रहे हैं आइमोल कल्चरल एसोसिएशन टेक्नोपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट। यह नृत्य आइमोल समुदाय द्वारा गुफाओं में बसने के दिनों से लेकर गांव बसने तक के इतिहास से संबंधित है। आप देख रहे हैं आइमोल कल्चरल एसोसिएशन टेक्नोपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट द्वारा प्रस्तुत वाइलाम क्वांगलाम नृत्य।
Aimol cultural dance to be being presented by the Aimol Cultural Association, Tengnopal District. The dance is entitled Wailam Kwanglam. This dance reflects the history of the Aimol community from the days of cave settlement to village settlement. We are now watching the Aimol Cultural Association staging the Aimol cultural dance.
अगला नृत्य है लौसा डांस यानी लौसा नृत्य, जिसे पेश करने जा रहे हैं कांगपोकपी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आए करियमपू कंथौना कल्चरल रिपर्टोरी। लौसा नृत्य एक युद्ध नृत्य है जो दो गांवों के मध्य टकराव के दौरान किया जाता है। जब भी कोई गांव युद्ध में जीत हासिल करता है या जंगली जानवर पकड़ता है तो लौसा नृत्य किया जाता है। यह नृत्य विजय का नृत्य बन गया है। मणिपुर का मरिंग समुदाय लौसा नृत्य की उत्पत्ति तथा दृढ़ता के लिए जिम्मेदार है। यह नृत्य कई त्योहारों के निर्णयात्मक नृत्य के रूप में भी किया जाता है। पेश है लौसा नृत्य।
Lopsa dance, the Mering war dance being performed by Kariempu Kanthona Cultural Repertory, Kampokpi District. Lopsa dance is a war dance performed during the confrontation between two villages. Whenever a village wins a fight or hunts wild animal, Lopsa dance is performed. It became the dance of victory. This dance is also performed as the final dance of many festivals of the Mering tribe.
अब आ रहे हैं लोंगमाई वन मॉडर्न सोशल एंड कल्चरल यूथ क्लब नोने डिस्ट्रिक्ट के नृत्य दल। ये दल प्रस्तुत करेंगे हंग सियालाम। यह रोंगमाई जनजाति का पारंपरिक नृत्य है जिसे युवाओं द्वारा किसी विशेष अवसर या भव्य उत्सव में किया जाता है। हंग सियालाम सबसे लोकप्रिय पारंपरिक नृत्य में से एक है जो रंगीन पोशाकों के साथ ताजा बांस की छड़ियों के साथ किया जाता है और खूबसूरत परिधानों में सजे युवा रंग बिरंगे हॉर्न पहने भरपूर फसल के लिए ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देते हुए नृत्य करते हैं। साथ ही अगले वर्षों में भरपूर फसल के लिए भी प्रार्थना करते हैं।
Longmai 1 Modern Social and Cultural Youth Club, None District, showcasing the dance Hang Xiang Lang. Hang Xiang Lang is a Rongmei traditional dance performed by the youths on special occasions and grand celebrations. Hang Xiang Lang is one of the most popular traditional dances performed with fresh bamboo sticks, wearing colorful traditional attires. The youths in their best attires, adorning headgears with colorful horns, dance with hearts of thanksgiving to the Almighty God for the bountiful harvest and pray for the bountiful harvest in the following year.
ला खंगलुई ये है नृत्य का नाम जिसे प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं लोअर हुंगपुंग यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उपुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट। इस नृत्य में गाया जाने वाला गीत केवल अविवाहित युवतियों द्वारा गाया जाता है। गीत और नृत्य इतिहास, उपलब्धियों और उनके पूर्वजों की महिमा, युद्धों और शिकार में जीत, भूमि के समृद्ध आशीर्वाद के बारे में है। यह नृत्य दिवंगत लोगों के विलाप को भी दर्शाता है।
Tangkhul cultural dance entitled La Khanganui, to be presented by Lower Pungpung Youth Organization, Ukhrul District. The song accompanying the dance is only sung by women, the unmarried virgins. The song and the dance portrays the past history, the achievements and the glory of their ancestors, their victories in wars and headhunting, rich blessings of the land. It also intonates the lamentation of the dear departed families, friends, and their loved ones. We are now watching Tangkhul cultural dance entitled La Khanganui, presented by Lower Pungpung Youth Organization, Ukhrul District.
ये है सिकीबुंग थोर्टिंग डांस ग्रुप कामजोंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नृत्य दल। वर्ष भर की खेतीबाड़ी संपूर्ण होने के पश्चात बीज बोने का मौसम आ जाता है और बोआई के उत्सव मनाने से पूर्व न तो कोई बीज बोता है और न ही पौधा उगाता है। लुयर फनित नामक बोआई का यह त्योहार तांगखुल संप्रदाय का सबसे बड़ा त्योहार है, जिसमें लोग चावल से बना मदिरा का आनंद लेते हैं और हर मेहमान का स्वागत करते हैं। प्रस्तुत नृत्य तांगखुल के बोआई त्योहार लुएर फनित में किया जाता है।
Sikibung Tottering Dance Troupe, Kamjong District, presenting the seed sowing dance. A year's cultivation and farming works have been completed and the season of seed sowing arrives. No villager will ever sow nor plant any seed before the seed sowing festival. This festival, called Luira Panit, is the most popular festivals of the Tangkhul tribe, in which people enjoy rice beers and welcome every guest.
सांस्कृतिक दलों के बाद अब आरंभ होता है झांकियों का काफिला। मणिपुर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी द्वारा प्रस्तुत इस झांकी में छत पर सौर ऊर्जा संयंत्र, मॉडल सौर ग्राम और पीएम सूर्य घर के तहत छत पर सौर ऊर्जा के साथ सरकारी भवनों की संतृप्ति को दर्शाया गया है। मुफ्त बिजली योजना को मणिपुर में राज्य नोडल एजेंसियों के रूप में मनरेगा और MSPDCL के साथ कार्यान्वित किया गया है। अब तक स्थापित क्षमता है 19.08 मेगावाट पावर और मार्च 2026 तक 30.75 स्थापित मेगावाट पावर स्थापित की जाएगी। आप देख रहे हैं मनरेगा द्वारा प्रस्तुत झांकी।
मथंदा लाक्लिबा टेब्लो सिना DIPR मणिपुर न पुथोकपा टेब्लोनी। टेब्लो सिना Stop Cyber Crime and Use Social Media Responsibly हाइवा थीम दा पुथोकपा टेब्लोनी। टेब्लो सिना मियामदा सोशल मीडिया नियम चुमना सिजनेबियो अमदी साइबर क्राइम तौबिगेनु हाइवा पाउजेल पीरी। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल 19 क्लोज 1 क्लोज ए ना लेबाग सिगी नागरिक पुमनमक्ता इसागी अनिंबा अपांबा फोंदोकचबा ngамnanaba right to freedom of speech and expression piri adubo miyamna
Right assissin matamda article asigi close to the paliba decency amadi morality ngakna isagi aningba phongdokpiu amadi public order kaiba yaba wafam sizna biganu haiba paujel teblo sinapiri chumna sizinarbadi social media si achoba ujao magumbani aikoi miyamda kanaba kaya marum piri adubu niyam lana social media amadi Mathangda lakliba teblo sina DIPR Manipur na puthokpa teblo ni teblo sina stop cybercrime and use social media responsibly haiba theme da puthokpa teblo ni teblo sina miyamda social media niyom chumna sizinabiu amadi cybercrime tobiganu haiba paujel pidi Constitution के Article 19 Clause 1 Clause A na laibak asigi nagarik pumnamakta ishagi aning ba pamba fongdok chabangam hananaba right to freedom of speech and expression piri adubu miyam na right assissin na ba matamda article asigi close to the palliba decency amadi morality ngak na isagi aning ba fongdok piu amadi public order kai ba yaba wafam sizina biganu haiba paujil teblo sina piri chumna sizina rabadi social media si achauba uzao amagumna ekoi miyam da kana ba kayamarum piri adubu niyam lana social media amadi internet sizinarabadi logi matung ina chairak phangba yai haibasi DIPR Manipur na puthokliba teblo asina miyamda utli
Following the DIPR tableau is a tableau of the Forest Department by Mother Nature to the state. The abundant raw materials coming from its forests, the great potential and opportunities offered by the forests of Manipur for the growth of primary and service sectors in the state and boost GDP and employment. The state of Manipur has about 78 under forest cover. The forest of Manipur has the largest potential to give a boost to the growth of primary sector, service sector, and generating one of the largest job opportunities in the state. Large forested lands with good forest cover are highly significant for an economy due to their wide-ranging ecological, social, and economic benefits. Thus, leveraging existing forest wealth would align with the state's natural strengths, reducing reliance on external resources. The next tableau, Manipur tourism. The tableau elegantly highlights the region's rich cultural tapestry through its three distinguished villages, Andro, Yangkulen, and Wilongkulen. Together, these three villages encapsulate the essence of Manipur's heritage, inviting explorers to experience the beauty and depth of its cultural legacy. Andro, recognized by the Ministry of Tourism as amongst the 5 best tourism villages in the heritage category in India on the World Tourism Day 2024. Yangkulen, known as the Hanging Village in Senapati district, and Wilongkulen at Senapati district, captivates with its remarkable stone structures reminiscent of Stonehenge, standing tall amidst the landscape.
ये है रूरल डेवलपमेंट स्कीम यानी ग्रामीण विकास योजना का मुख्य उद्देश्य ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में गरीबी को कम करना और जीवन स्तर को बढ़ाना है के निर्माण और कायाकल्प की सुविधा प्रदान करने, जल संरक्षण को बढ़ाने और टिकाऊ जल स्रोत बनाने के उद्देश्य उपग्रह का प्रयोग करके मनरेगा कार्यों के ग्राम पंचायत स्तर की योजना की सुविधा प्रदान करता है.
Next tableau is for Loktak Development Authority. Tableau of Loktak Development Authority showcases its significance in terms of cultural heritage and livelihoods of the local community in the natural environment of Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake, epitomized as bowl of gold and fountain of life and eternity, is the cradle of Manipur civilization. Folklores and ancient chronicles underscore the profound cultural heritage of this lake. Through its multiple ecosystem services, the lake continues to provide livelihood opportunity to the local communities in its natural environment, securing cultural, social, and ecological well-being of the lake and the whole of Manipur.
अब आपके सामने आ रहे हैं हॉर्टिकल्चर एंड सोइल कंजर्वेशन की झांकी। वोकल फॉर लोकल ऐसे जोरदार संदेश के साथ ब्रांड निर्माण पहल के माध्यम से गुणवत्तापूर्ण स्थानीय बागवानी उत्पादों की मूल्य श्रृंखला विपणन योजना माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का एक केंद्रीय कार्यक्रम है और यह एक एकीकृत और बहुआयामी दृष्टिकोण है जिसे प्रसंस्करण और मूल्य संवर्धन के माध्यम से खराब होने वाले फलों और सब्जियों की कटाई के बाद होने वाले नुकसान को कम करने और इच्छित उद्यमी का समर्थन करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है। पेश है आपके सामने हॉर्टिकल्चर एंड सॉइल कंजर्वेशन की झांकी।
Approaching is a tableau of the Chief Electoral Officer Manipur. The office of the Chief Electoral Officer Manipur is devoted to conducting elections that are free, fair, transparent, accessible and inclusive. The Lok Sabha election 2024 has been one of the most significant elections ever conducted by CEO Manipur. A large number of internally displaced voters exercise their universal adult franchise in specially created polling booths in different locations in the valley and the hill districts. Quite remarkably, a special polling booth was also created to facilitate a single voter to cast his vote, underlining the message, no voter to be left behind. The messages being displayed by the voters highlight the importance of each vote, irrespective of their caste, creed, community, and gender. No voter to be left behind. The next tableau is a tableau of higher education. The theme, initiatives taken up under Pradhan Mantri Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, PM Usha, which was launched in 2023-24 by the Ministry of Higher Education, Government of India, to boost growth of higher education in India in line with provisions provided under National Education Policy 2020. In fact, successful implementation of PM Usha will surely boost the growth of the higher education sector in Manipur. The scheme aims to address the 5 pillars of the National Education Policy 2020, which are accessibility, quality, equity, accountability, and affordability.
अगला झांकी हैंडलूम और टेक्सटाइल का है। झांकी का विषय है कॉटेज टू कार्गो। जो अपने हाथों से काम करता है वह मजदूर है और जो अपने हाथों और दिमाग से काम करता है वह शिल्पकार है। मणिपुर की प्राकृतिक विरासत को बचाए व बनाए रखने का उद्देश्य तथा यहाँ की आजीविका को दर्शाता यह झांकी प्राकृतिक रूप से मणिपुर में प्राप्त सामग्री से बना है। विभिन्न राज्यों और देशों से हो रही यहाँ के कटघरा और हस्तशिल्प निर्मित उत्पादों की बढ़ती मांग कॉटेज टू कार्गो को प्रमाणित करता है। आप देख रहे हैं हैंडलूम और टेक्सटाइल्स की झांकी।
approaching is the tableau of Directorate of Relief and Disaster Management Manipur with the theme Flood Rescue Operation. Manipur is prone to flooding due to intense monsoon rainfall. In the recent 2024, the state faced two devastating floods, causing intensive damage to infrastructure, housing, and livestock. The department is showcasing a scenario on flood rescue operation, highlighting the critical role of SDRF, which is a specialized force trained in swift water rescue, evacuation technique, and coordination with volunteers, especially the Abda Mitra volunteers, in saving precious human lives and properties during the recent flood in the wake of Cyclone Rimal and during monsoon 2024. Next approaching is the tableau of Manipur Police Housing Corporation Imphal with the theme Unity Mall at Nilakuti Imphal. The Unity Mall at Nilakuti, Manipur is the new government project under the visionary initiative of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, under the scheme Special Assistance for States for Capital Investment 2023-24, the Unity Mall at Nilakuti will provide 36 district emporium for all states and union territories of India, 16 district emporium of Manipur, and many other. The main objective is to provide a marketplace for local artisans, weavers, and farmers while creating a holistic experience.
Firefighting and rescue vehicles of Manipur Fire Service Department. The Manipur Fire Service Department displaying two vehicles, mini rescue tender, foam and carbon dioxide crash tender. The primary role of the fire service in the state is to respond to fire incidents of varying magnitudes. In addition to firefighting operations, firefighters are tasked with attending to other emergency services arising from natural and man-made calamities such as building collapse, road traffic accidents, and rescue operations involving both humans and animals.
The mini rescue tender is commanded by Ristikanta, CH sub-officer, and foreman CO2 crash tender is commanded by KH Roger Gold, leading fireman.
Please rise for the national anthem. We have now come to the closing moment of the Republic Day celebration 2025 at Imphal. Once again, heartiest 76th Republic Day greetings to fellow Indians. On behalf of the government of Manipur, we deeply thank one and all and request you to join us at the vote of thanks ceremony at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground, Imphal, where the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur will thank the participants of the march past. Khurumjari, Thagachari, Jai Hind.
Masigi oinadi, Raja Sarkar na sinduna pangthokjaba, Humfudara Taruk Suba, Republic Day gi mapung oiba palan thoram, Kangla sida pangthokjaba, Loisinjari, Ngaihak ki matungda, mafam asidagi kongshan kiba, Parade Commander na Luchingba, March Parts Contingent Singh, 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground da Yaubaga, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri Nongtongvam Viren Singh na Thagat Wahai Thambigani, Masidasu Mayamna Saruk Yabinaba, Ningsingjari, Haujiki Oinadi, Miyamdagi Kainadaba Yathang Nijari, Amukahana, Republic Degi, Nungaiba Paujal Pijari, Thagatchari.